Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to get a custom crosshair on your PS4. Whether you're a competitive gamer or just want to change things up, I've got some great methods to help you out. We'll cover built-in solutions, third-party apps, and even a fun DIY trick. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Use a gaming monitor with crosshair customization. Did you know some gaming monitors come with crosshair options built right in? Here's how you can activate them. Check your monitor. Look through your monitor's settings or user manual to see if crosshair overlays are available. Access the settings. Press the menu button on your monitor to access its settings. Find crosshair settings. Look for options like crosshair, game assist, or similar depending on your monitor brand. Select your crosshair, choose from the available crosshair designs and enable it. Now, your custom crosshair will appear on screen while you play any game on your PS4. Method 2. Use overlay apps or smart TV features. While the PS4 itself doesn't support crosshair overlays, some apps and smart TVs have built-in features that can help. Here's what to do. Search for overlay apps, look in the PlayStation Store, or check if any smart TV apps support crosshair overlays. Some TVs with game mode may have crosshair options built into their settings. Enable the overlay. Once you've found an app or TV setting with crosshair options, follow the instructions to enable it while gaming on your PS4. Method 3. The DIY approach. Use a dry erase marker or tape. This method might seem old school, but it works like a charm if you're looking for a quick and easy solution. Gather your supplies. You'll need a dry erase marker so you can wipe it off later, or some transparent tape and a small piece of paper or a marker to make your mark. Mark the center of your screen. Open a game that has a built-in crosshair, pause it, and mark the exact center of your screen. Create your crosshair. Using the dry erase marker, draw a small dot or cross at the center. Alternatively, stick a small piece of transparent tape with a dot or cross drawn on it. Start playing. Now you have your own custom crosshair that works for any game you play. And there you have it. 3 easy methods to get a custom crosshair on your PS4. Whether you go for the tech-savvy route or opt for the DIY fix, these solutions will enhance your gameplay. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Error Genie for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.